How to share your Instagram reel to Facebook page. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram reel to Facebook page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app. First, if you haven't connected your Facebook account to your Instagram, you have to connect it. So this is how you can connect it. First, go to your profile, then tap on this menu in the top right corner. Tap on settings. Tap on account. Tap on sharing to other apps. Then tap on Facebook. If you have the Facebook app installed on your phone and logged in, your Facebook will automatically show up here and you just have to tap on continue to connect it. So if you haven't installed Facebook, install it and log in because it will just make the process easier. So tap on continue and choose the page where you want to share the reel and tap on continue. Tap on yes, finish setup. Tap on start sharing to Facebook. And here tap on reel setup. Tap on allow. Now let me post a reel to check if it works or not. You can see this reel I posted on Instagram is automatically posted to my Facebook page. So this is how you can share your Instagram reel to Facebook page. Thanks for watching.